Fix Office Update Error 30015-26 in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Try troubleshooters. First, we would recommend running Windows Store apps and Windows Update troubleshooters as follows. Fix 2. Repair Office. There's a built-in repair function that you can use to repair the Office suite. Fix 3. Start Windows Update and bits services. Make sure responsible services are running. If they are, restart them instead. Fix 4. Check for corrupted files. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 5. Reinstall Office.